ओके गाइस, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। कैसे हैं सब लोग? चलिए, लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन with a bang. Okay, so my name is Abhinav Srivastav. I'm your master teacher at Vedantu. I'm a chemistry expert. So सबसे पहले मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दूं, उसके बाद हम सेशन में एंटर करते हैं. So as you can read here, my name is Abhinav Srivastav. तो नाम तो पता ही होगा. You're all in the session, so you might be knowing my name. So I'm a graduate from NIT Durgapur. I'm a BTech in electrical engineering, and I have taught for so many years, and I have mentored so many people to go into IITs, NITs, NEET colleges, AIMS colleges, and all those prestigious examinations. So, and yes, I have produced some fabulous ranks in the past in NEET, JEE, and JEE Mains, all those examinations. So that was my introduction, guys. So I hope we are going to rock the session, and we'll have a lot of fun in the session. And yes, we'll be solving a lot of topics. We'll be discussing, and we'll be solving a lot of quizzes along with them. Okay, so we the topic of this particular session is solve JEE objective questions on quantum numbers 2x faster. So we will learn some quick things with the help of which you can will be able to solve the questions based on quantum numbers very fast, guys. Okay, so let me set some basic rules for this particular session. And thus, yes, this particular session is live on YouTube as well. The people who are actually present on the Vedantu platform, they are able to chat with me. They are able to participate in the class with the help of polls and live quizzes. But the people who are actually viewing the lecture on YouTube won't be able to participate in the live chats here. So what I suggest is there is a link in the description as well as in the chat box. You can just click on that link, and you will be transferred to the Vedantu website, and you will be part of this particular session for live interaction. Okay. So, guys, let us get started. So, here I have a lot of people on my live Vedantu platform, a lot of people on the YouTube platform. So, welcome you all to this wonderful session. Let us get started. Chalo, shuru karte hain. So, guys, in this particular topic, I will be strictly focusing on quantum numbers and the electronic configuration of elements. So, this I will make you revise, and I will help you how to crack these questions with a very easy method. Okay. So, first of all, let me make you comfortable with the platform. Can you see and hear me? Can you see and hear me? So, don't type in the chat box. What you can do is I am I am creating a clickable yes no button. So just click on yes or no button, and you'll be giving your feedbacks. And yes, the people on YouTube, please enroll and get in the session on the Vedantu platform so that you are able to participate in these kind of polls. Okay. Yes, so I have got almost all the responses, and this is the result. 96.23% are active in the session. They can hear and see me. Anyone who is experiencing some lag or anything like that, please refresh your page, and it will be all fine. You need to have a good high speed internet connection. A Wi-Fi connection is recommended, but yes, you can also attend that on your mobile internet if the speed is good. Yes, this class is intended for both class 11th, 12th, not both class 11th, 12th, and 13th also, who are actually dropper. So this is a session for all those people. So let me get an idea. Let me get an idea how many people are from which class. So I will be in a better situation to uh, comment on things. Okay. So in which class are you in? Class 10th या उससे कम? You are in class 11th, you are in class 12th, or you are in class 13th. Okay, guys, I am creating clickable buttons. Don't write in the chat box. No need to write in the chat box. I am creating these clickable buttons, and you can choose the option and tell me in which class you are actually present in. So this is Vedantu's live platform, and the people on YouTube might not be able to click on these things. So yeah, please, those who are on the YouTube, click on the link below and you'll come on the Vedantu platform. Okay. Yes, I have got almost all responses. So, okay, let's see. So, yes, 60% people, almost 60% people are from class 11. That's really good. 20%, 21% from class 12th, and 18%, 19% from. Okay, Gaurav, that's really great. Yes. So, yes, as I said, this class is intended for class 11th, 12th, and the droppers, that is class 13th. So, that's really great. Let us see what will be the outcome of this particular session. You will learn to find the address of any electron in an atom. So, quantum numbers is what? They tell us about the position or the address of an electron. Okay. Address of an electron. What are quantum numbers? Quantum numbers are some numbers with the help of which we try to define energy and actually the position of electrons inside the atom, the location of electron inside the atom. Guys, sir, today the chat will be on because the people on YouTube will also be interacting, so the chat will not be off today. Okay. So as we move to the quantum mechanical model of atom, कौन सा model? Quantum mechanical model. Quantum mechanical model of atom, which is the most recent and most correct model of atom. It says that the electrons are actually present in orbitals, and orbitals are of this shape. They are of S, P, D, and F shape. S is spherical, P is double shaped, D is double shaped, and F is a complex shaped orbital. So these are actually present in a region. They are not actually present at a point. ये किसी point पे present नहीं होते हैं, ये एक region में present होते हैं. ठीक है. So this is what quantum mechanical model of electron says. Now let's talk about the quantum numbers and what they actually mean. So this slide is all about the principal quantum number. Principal quantum number क्या होता है? It is denoted by the integer small n. ये जो small n integer है, this is how we represent it. So this principal quantum number tells us about the shell. ये हमें शेल नंबर के बारे में बता रहा है. The spherical region in which there is a probability of finding the electron. जो n की values है, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or any such number. Okay, so these are the principal quantum number. Okay, so the in general size and energy of an orbital are directly proportional to the value of n. n की वैल्यू जितनी ज्यादा होगी, साइज और एनर्जी उतना ही ज्यादा होगा. हायर द वैल्यू ऑफ n, higher will be the size and energy of the orbital. Just in case we are comparing 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, and 6p, all these particular orbitals. So what is happening as we are increasing the value of principal quantum number? We are increasing the value of principal quantum number, the energy of the orbitals will go on increasing. Okay. Now see this. Number of subshells in an orbit is given by n. ठीक है. Number of orbitals, अगर प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर n है, प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर n है, तो नंबर ऑफ सबशेल कितना हो गया? Number of subshell will be also equal to n. What will be the number of orbitals? Number of orbitals is equal to n square. ठीक है. Number of orbitals will be equal to n square. What is the number of electrons in those orbitals? That is 2n square. Let me take an example. Let me take the value of n as 3. तो बच्चों हमें पता है, we already know that we have 3s, 3p and 3d. तो कितने सबशेल हो गए? How many subshells? 1, 2, 3. So the number of subshell is 3. How many orbitals do we have? इसमें एक orbital. Here we have 3 orbitals and here we have 5 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 5 orbitals. So the number of orbitals is what? 5 plus 3 plus 1. That is 8. Okay. So the value of n so the value of n gives us the number of orbital. The number of electrons is what? the number of electrons will be 18. The number of electrons will be 18. Okay, sorry, it's 9, not 8. Okay, yes, it's 9. So it's 9, number of orbitals is 9, and this is equal to 2n square. This is equal to n square. So guys, we get a lot of questions on these basic formulas. So yes, this is very, very, very important. तो ये basic formulas please याद रखिए. ठीक है? Please remember these basic formulas. Now let us get to the azimuthal quantum number, which is actually represented by small l. ये हमें किसके बारे में बताता है? This tells us about the subshells. Okay, subshells कौन से होते हैं? S subshell, P subshell, D subshell, F subshell. So these are called as the SPDF subshells. Okay, so their value can be 0, 1, 2, 3, any of the values from 0 to n minus 1. So what does it mean? It means that if the value of n is equal to 1, then its value will be equal to 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1 कितना हो गया? 0. If its value is 2, then its value will be 0 and 1. ठीक है? Okay, so if its value is 3, then its value will be 0, 1 and 2. Okay, like that. 0 corresponds to the s orbital, the value of L. Okay, 1 corresponds to the p orbitals, 2 corresponds to the d orbitals, and 3 corresponds to the f orbital. तो L की वैल्यू जो है वो इस तरीके से वेरी करेगी. 4 होगा तो g orbital and so on. So for 4 it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and like that. So this is what we are getting for azimuthal or subsidiary quantum number. So an orbit n can have value only n subshells. So अगर orbit shell number 2 है, if the shell number is 2, we get 2 subshells. If the shell number is 3, we get 3 subshells. If the shell number is 4, we get total 4 subshells and like that. Okay. In general, let's see this. In general, L denotes the shape of the orbital. L equal to 0 represents spherical. S subshell is spherical. L equal to 1 represents P subshell, which is actually dumbbell shaped. And the number of orbitals in a subshell is actually equal to 2l plus 1. The number of electrons will be the double of. So we will consider this in the coming things. So if I talk about the next quantum number, which is represented by guys ml, और ये कौन सा quantum number है? This is called as magnetic quantum number. This is called as magnetic quantum number. The value of ml varies from minus L to plus L. The value of ml varies from minus L to plus L. So minus 0 से 0, minus 0 to 0 is 0. Okay. For 2s, if I have 2s or if I have 2p, so minus 1, 0, plus 1. If the value of L is 2, then we get minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Okay, similarly, here we can have, if the value is 3, then we can guess minus 3, 2, 2, plus 2, plus 3, like that. Okay, so this is the way. We need, Anamika, we need beta quantum numbers to define the energy and position of electrons. Okay? We need it to define the position and energy of the particular electron. So let me explain some things. Explain for 4D. Okay, we will go into that, but we'll take some questions, guys. We will solve these things through the questions. So here this question in front of you, just solve this question and then I'll explain the actually topic behind it. I'll explain the concept behind this thing. Okay, so this is a 30-second quiz, guys. Read the question carefully for 10 seconds and after that I will be starting the quiz. Okay, so you have to click the option SPDF and you'll get the answer. For a multi-electron atom, the energy associated with electrons of SPDF orbitals of a principal quantum number is in the order. And your time starts now. Ankit, Anjali, Yashika, beta, please click on A, B, C, D. Don't type here. No need to type here. You can click on the option. Five, four, three, two, one, and time up. So let's see the fastest finger list, guys. So that's really great. So, oh my God, all of you are correct except Zubair. So we have Pavan, Sunny, G, Dhyan, Manjeet, and Sumit, Arabdha, Jasmine, Arshit, and Naga. All these people have answered it correctly, and the correct option was B. Okay, so that's really great. Okay, Shreya is here. So lots of my students from regular classroom are also present here. Okay, चलो देखते हैं. Yes, Arabdha, I saw that. Okay, so there are two cases, guys. Mono electronic species and multi electronic species. दोनों के केसेस भी क्या क्या अलग अलग होगा. For mono electronic species, the orbits different, the different subshells have actually same energy if the principal quantum number is same. For monoelectronic species, we get 1s ka energy is less than 2s, but the energy of 2s and 2p is equal. After that, we get the energy of 3s is equal to 3p, and it is equal to 3d, which is less than 4s, 4p, sorry, equal to 4s equal to 4p equal to 4d equal to 4f, and so on. So this is for monoelectronic species. For multi-electronic species, for multi-electronic species, what will happen? These things will be split. These things will be split. So what can I write? The energy of 1s is less than 2s, which is less than 2p, which is less than 3s, which is less than 3p, and so on. Okay? So this is, there are thousands and thousands of students, Prasad. Okay. So this is the energy order for SPDF. So the principal quantum number is same. So S will be less than P, will be less than D, will be less than F. So I think B will be the correct option. So let us see some more concepts and then we'll take up more questions. So magnetic quantum number, guys. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, magnetic quantum number tells us about the orbital. It will tell us about the orbital. जैसे if P is the subshell, P subshell है, if P is the subshell, then we have Px, Py, Pz as the orbitals. So as you know, guys, the value of L for P is what? It is 1. So the value of Ml will be -1, 0, and +1. -1, 0, and +1. So, guys, actually, the value of Px, Py, Pz actually tells us about the orbital. So, -1, 0, and +1. So, what we do here? No, this is not a part of paid course. Sai Krishna, this is not a paid course. This is a free lecture. Okay. So, -1, 0, +1. But, guys, remember this. A lot of books confuse you. Books में क्या लिखा होता है? Px, Py, Pz है. So, what happens is, the value of ml is written like this. Mostly it is written like this. But ये ध्यान रखिएगा, -1 can be written for any of these. It is not associated to px. 0 is not associated to py. So I can write it like this also. Px, Py, Pz. If these things are there, I can write -1 here, I can write 0 here, and I can write +1 here. Okay, this is just telling us that we have 3 orbitals. We have 3 orbitals. That's what we know about this. Any number is not associated to any particular orbital. Okay, so that is what is happening. So let me fill up here. सो जैसा मैंने यहां पे कहा था, इफ वी हैव थ्री, थ्री का मतलब है एफ, टू का क्या मतलब है डी, वन का क्या मतलब है पी, एंड जीरो का मतलब है एस. सो इफ वी हैव पी ऑर्बिटल, सो माइनस वन से जीरो, सो दिस इज पी एक्स, पी वाई एंड पी जेड. सो दिस इज, वी हैव फाइव डी ऑर्बिटल्स. कौन कौन से होते हैं? डी एक्स वाई, डी वाई जेड, डी जेड एक्स, डी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर एंड डी जेड स्क्वायर. ठीक है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. What is the value of 5, 6, 7, 8? If the value of L, if the value of L is 5, guys, then in that case the value of L will be -5, -4 से लेके +5 तक. ठीक है. So this is like this. Chalo. So this was about the magnetic quantum number, and the last quantum number, guys, is the spin quantum number. Spin quantum number is denoted by S. It is denoted by S. Its value is either plus half or it is minus half. Okay. So actually, what we should say is, what is plus half and minus half? Plus and minus half are actually two opposite spin. ध्यान से सुनो बच्चों, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं. ठीक है. So there are two kinds of spin for an electron. Either it can be clockwise or it can be anti-clockwise. ठीक है. या तो हम उसको लिख सकते हैं अप स्पिन, या तो हम उसको लिख सकते हैं डाउन स्पिन. बट माइंड यू, इस बात का ध्यान रखिएगा, प्लस और हाफ और माइनस हाफ इज नॉट एट ऑल रिलेटेड टू क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ये प्रीवियस ईयर जेई एडवांस में दे हैव आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन. दे हैव आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन इन द प्रीवियस ईयर जेईई एडवांस. क्या पूछा गया था? क्या प्लस हाफ क्लॉकवाइज से रिलेटेड है? The answer is no. Plus half या minus half only tells us that there are two different types of spin. They do not tell us that plus half is related to clockwise or plus half related to up spin. Plus half के साथ you can write anti-clockwise. Plus half के साथ you can also write down spin. So it is not at all related. ठीक है. So ये ध्यान रखिएगा, this is a very trick question and most of the times you will commit mistakes on this. So plus half is not related to clockwise, it is not related to up spin. It can be anti-clockwise, downward or anything. One more important thing I want to explain, guys. Don't assume. So when we are talking about spin quantum number, we say that it is clockwise spin and anti-clockwise spin. But actually, electron is not a particle. Electron is not a particle which is rotating around its own axis. So this spin, it is easier to assume that it is spinning on its own axis and we are talking about clockwise and anti-clockwise. But in reality, this spin is actually quantum spin. This is quantum spin. वो क्या होती है वो यहां पे समझा नहीं जा सकता. This is the spin of electron wave. This is the spin of electron wave. We cannot understand it here. It is not at all actually the electron is spinning clockwise or anti-clockwise. So ये ध्यान रखिएगा. This is very, very important. It is Raj. It just says that the electron wave is having two kinds of spin. That is quantum spin. उसको हम physical world में we cannot understand. If you want to know, sir, what is rotating and how it is rotating, it is impossible to explain. So it's not like that. For plus half or minus half, we say clockwise or anti-clockwise spin because it is easier to explain it in terms of physical spin. Some particle is spinning, but it is actually a wave, electron wave, for which we cannot write this. How charges can be fractional. When the electron wave is considered, then the charges can be fractional. When you are considering electron as a particle, then they can never be fractional. Okay. So here is another question based on what we have done till now. So this is the value of n, this is the value of L, this is the value of ml, and this is the value of spin quantum number. तो आपको बताना है which of the following set of quantum number is allowed, यानी कौन सा इसमें से करेक्ट है. ठीक है, कौन सा इसमें से करेक्ट है. Okay, and your time starts now. Yeah, Prathak, just a minute. I will answer your question. And the time is up. KLMN is actually a thing of past. Class 10th tak chalta tha wo, but not now. Sanjana is at the top, followed by Gaurav, Prathak, Hemant, Vamsi. Vamsi Krishna. That's really great. Is that your real name? Because that's the name of our founder at Vedantu, Vamsi Krishna. So G Dhyan, Raj Gopal, Chal. Okay, Vamsi, that's really awesome. Raj Gopal. Chalo, theek hai. So 50% people answered this question correctly. Yes. And let's see the leaderboard now. Pavan is at the top along with Sunny, followed by Dhyan, Manjeet, Sumit, Arabdha, Jasmine, Arshit, Naga, Gaurav, Prathak, Arshin, Sumit, Girish, and Srinivas. Chalo, congratulations all you guys. Yes. Okay, let's see. So guys, if the value of n is 1, okay, the value of L will be 0. But if the value of L is 0, the value of ML is what? Minus L2 plus L. So it cannot be 1. It cannot be 1. So ये गलत हो गया. Okay. For if it is 2, the value of L is what? 0 to n minus 1. So 1 is correct. Minus 1, 0 plus 1. So this is correct. So plus half, can this be? Yes. So the B option is correct. इसको भी देख लेते हैं. 2 के लिए 1 सही है. But minus 2 is incorrect. Because if it is 1, there should be minus 1, 0 and plus 1. So this is wrong. Similarly, 2 के लिए 1 सही है. But plus 2 is wrong. Plus 2 is wrong. 0 is also wrong. Okay. So someone, Prathak, was asking what is SPDF? What is the full form of SPDF? S stands for spherical. P subshell stands for principal. D stands for diffuse. And F subshell stands for fundamental. It stands for fundamental. Okay. So this is what we are getting. Okay. So let's move on to the next slide, guys. This is a crash course that we are offering for class 11th, 12th, and dropper students. The students of class 11th, let me explain what this actually is. The student of class 11th will get 40 lectures each subject. ठीक है, हर क्लास 11th के जो बच्चे हैं, the students of class 11th will get 40 lectures each subject, so you get 120 lectures, okay, in which the revision of class 11th will be done. The revision of class 11th will be done for class 11th student. Okay, so when I show you the link and you click on link to purchase the particular course, you have to select class 11th if you are in class 11th. Okay, if you are in class 12th or dropper, the number of lectures will be same, but the coverage will be complete class 11th and class 12th. Okay, for 12th and dropper JEE aspirants, for class 12th and dropper students, the number of lectures will be same, but the content coverage will be both class 11th and class 12th. And yes, for 12th and dropper students, we are targeting JEE Mains 1. So JEE Mains 1, which is going to be held in January, this is targeted for that. and you get so many, you get so many class, get so many weekend tests according to the modern JEE pattern. After that, you get a test series. After completion of your crash course, you get a test series, and you will be able to solve a lot of things. Okay, I wrote spherical. That's sharp. Okay, yeah, sorry. That's not spherical. That's sharp. Yeah, this is actually sharp. ठीक है? So, guys, this is the link. This is the link, and this course is for 12th and dropper students, 12th and 13th student. The course has started today. That is 24th of September. Okay, the course has started today. For class 11 students, the course is starting on 14th of October. And as I told you about the classes will be from Monday to Saturday, 7 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. 7 p.m. to yes. Can you see the slide, guys? Is the slide visible? Okay, so this is the link right here. This is the link right here, which will become active for you, and you can just click on this link. And after that, you have to select your class. If you are a class 11 student, select 11th. If you are in class 12th or dropper, so select accordingly, and you will be redirected towards your particular course. And the cost of the course, the price of the course is this 14,999, and yes, you are getting 120 odd lectures for the crash course. So for class 11 students also, this is very, very beneficial, because you are going to get complete revision of class 11th. Okay, so let's move on the content, guys. So what is the electronic configuration? So the electronic configuration, filling of electrons take place in the increasing order of their energy levels in ground state, guided by certain principle. तो कुछ principle हैं. There are some principles based on which we do the filling of electrons. So yes, let us understand what the principle is. This is N plus L rule, which is also known as Aufbau rule. What does it mean? What is the meaning of Aufbau? Can anyone tell me in the chat box? Or I will unmute someone if someone knows what is Aufbau. Okay, Preetam, पवन का माइक्रोफोन काम नहीं कर रहा. Naga, let's try you. Your microphone is not working. I don't have a mic. Yes. The Aufbau is not a scientist, guys. Aufbau means building up. It means building up in German. In German language, it means actually building up. So N plus L rule, Aufbau rule means building up rule. How crash course, right? If I answer Pulkisaran. No, Sai, these teachers will not be teaching, so it's up to you, and you can decide if you want to come or not. Okay. Okay. So N plus L rule says कि if the value of N plus L is high, higher the value of N plus L, higher will be the energy. जिसका N plus L का value कम है, जिसका N plus L का value कम है, it will have lesser energy. जिसका N plus L का value ज्यादा है, it will have a higher energy. So that is what Aufbau rule says. So आपने ये वाला जरूर पढ़ा होगा according to Aufbau rule. So 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, and so on. So let's count the value of N plus L. So this is 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, L, the value of L is 0. 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2. This is 4 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, and 4 plus 3. Similarly, this is the way we get it. Okay, and now the least value of N plus L is for 1s. So 1s will have minimum energy, followed by 2s. after that 2p, after that 3s. Guys देखो, this and this have same value of n plus l. When there is a clash between n plus l values, what do we check? We check the value of n. We check the value of n. जिसका n का वैल्यू ज्यादा होगा, it will have higher energy if the value of n plus l is same. Okay, 3s के बाद 3p, उसके बाद 4s, 3d, then 4p and so on. So आपने कुछ ऐसा पढ़ा होगा, the arrows like this, right? So this is how we can do this. So this is pretty easy. The value of n plus l you can find out, and this is the energy order that you get. Based on this thing, we are going to solve a question. And guys, this is the question in front of you. And you have to answer the question. This is a very easy question, and the quiz starts now. Four, three, two, one, and time up. Okay, guys, let's see who all are correct in the top 10. Jasmine, Manjeet, Sumit, Shruti, Anirudh, and Rupika. Okay, congratulations, guys. And yes, I was not expecting this. I was expecting a much better response. Chalo, misclick. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. Leaderboard says that Dhyan is at the top, followed by Gaurav, Prathak, then Aradha, Jasmine, Arshit, Naga, Shreya, Vaishnavi, Shruti, Hemant, Raj, Pavan, Sunny, and Mr. X. Okay. So 4S की एनर्जी 3D से कम है. अभी अभी हमने देखा. Both of them. Let's see what is the value of n plus l. The value of n plus l for 4S is what? 4 plus 0. That is 4. And for this, the value of n plus is 3 plus 2, and that is equal to 5. So the n plus l value of 3D is greater than that of 4D. So lesser value of n plus l. Okay. So this is what we get. One question is of what marks? It doesn't work like that, Zubair. So it depends upon how fast you answer, and it depends upon if your question is or not. Okay, I got it. I'll give you time for reading before I start the quiz. Okay, this was a very easy question. That's why I started the quiz very fast. Okay. Yeah, wait. So this is what I was talking about, the off-bow rule, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s. So the orbitals which are actually on the same line, which are actually on the same arrow, have same value of n plus l. Let's say this has 5, 4 plus 1, 5, and 5s is also 5. So this has 6, 6, 6, and something like that. Okay, so the order of energy will be like this. If the value of n plus l is same, the higher value of n gives you the higher value of energy. Okay, now the Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle ये कहता है कि no two electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers. किसी भी दो इलेक्ट्रॉन के सारे क्वांटम नंबर सेम नहीं हो सकते. They cannot have the same value of quantum number. Okay, because if they have same value of quantum number, guys, they will have the exactly same address. If we have to differentiate two electrons, then they must have different set of quantum number. जैसे किसी भी दो लोग का इस दुनिया में एड्रेस सेम नहीं हो सकता. Even if you are brothers or sisters living in the same house, अगर आपके एड्रेस पे आपको चिट्ठी भेजेंगे, they will at least write different names on them. ठीक है, at least they will write different names on them. So that's how we say that किसी भी दो लोगों का एड्रेस सेम नहीं हो सकता. Even if there are two electrons which are present in the same orbital, they will have opposite spins. They will have opposite spin. One will have plus half and the other will have minus half. So this is what Pauli exclusion principle says. Okay, and then we have the Hund's rule of multiplicity. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Hund's rule क्या कहता है बच्चों? Hund's rule ये कहता है when we are filling the orbitals of equal energy, let's say this is p orbital, so px, py, pz are called as degenerate orbitals. These are called as degenerate orbitals. They have same value, same energy. So when we are filling electron, हम ऐसे इलेक्ट्रॉन भरेंगे, पहला इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे, दूसरा यहाँ पे, तीसरा यहाँ पे. When all the orbitals of same energy are filled singly, then only the pairing will start. If I have the fourth electron, that electron will be added to any one of these orbitals. Okay, only then the pairing will start when all the orbitals are occupied singly. Okay, so that's what Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity says. Okay, so yeah, these are the crux of those things. So this is the exceptional configuration of chromium and copper, guys. You might be knowing for chromium the expected configuration is 4s2 3d4, but in reality we have 4s1 3d5. ऐसा क्यों होता है? This is due to exchange energy. This is due to exchange energy. Atomic structure, NCRT, last page. You have explanation of exchange energy. Similarly, the copper atom was expected to have configuration of 4s2 3d9, but this has 3d10. What is the reason? Same reason, exchange energy. Okay, and symmetry. Yes, chalo, let's solve some more question, guys, and I have like 5-6 more questions. तो अब हमें सिर्फ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. Okay, read the question carefully. It says the value of azimuthal quantum number for last electron of chlorine is. Chlorine का जो आखिरी इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा उसके लिए azimuthal quantum number क्या होगा? And the quiz starts now. टाइम अप होने वाला है. कम ऑन फास्ट. 5 4 3 2 1 and the time is up. Let's see the leaderboard. Okay, I can see some new faces on the leaderboard. On the fastest finger, only 3 are correct. Prathak, Shriman and Sucharita Mandal. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. 33%. Chalo, that was a tricky question, I guess. Then Jasmine is the top. So we have a new topper, followed by Gaurav, Shruti, Arabdha, Arshit, Raj, Dhyan, Manjeet, Sumit, Prathak, Ami, Sanjana, Sunny, Naga, and Rupika. Congratulations to all of you. Chlorine. What is the atomic number of chlorine? Chlorine का atomic number क्या है बच्चों? बोलो जल्दी से, quick. What is the atomic number of chlorine? अरे बोलो भाई. 71 नहीं है, it is 17. Yes, the atomic number is 17. So let's write the configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. 3s2 and 3p5. तो हम कुछ ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. So this is 3s2 3p5, guys. क्या लिख रहा हूं मैं? So 3s2 3p5. So this is 3s2 3p5. So it has one unpaired electron. Okay, now we have to write the azimuthal quantum number. Principal quantum number is what? It is 3, and the azimuthal quantum number for p, azimuthal quantum number will be 1. ठीक है? So this is the correct answer. ठीक है? Chalo, let's go to the next question, and the next question is this. Okay, I'm giving you 10 seconds, guys. Write all 4 set of quantum numbers for last electron of Cu2 positive. ठीक है? Cu2 positive का जो आखिरी इलेक्ट्रॉन है, the last electron, you have to write the 4 quantum numbers for them. Okay, and the time starts now. Paderborn leaderboard. And the time is up. The fastest finger list says that, oh my god, only two. क्या चल रहा है भाई? You guys are just answering for the sake of it. यार सही सही आंसर बताओ. Pavan and Ramesh, only two people are correct. Let's see the leaderboard now. And the leaderboard says that Jasmine is still at the top, followed by Prathak, Gaurav, Shruti, Aradha, Arshit, Hemant, and so many people. Okay, let's see. So Cu2 positive. What is the configuration of copper? Let's write the configuration of copper. For copper, the configuration is written as argon, argon, 4s2, 3d9. Copper has exceptional configuration. I gave you 2 minutes, Rad. This question is enough for. ठीक है, चलो. Cu2 positive. I'll give you more time in the next question. Cu2 positive. When we remove two electrons, it will be removed from here. It is always removed from the highest quantum number. It is always removed from the one which is having the highest principal quantum number. So what does it become? If I remove two electron, it becomes 4s0, 3d9. It becomes 4s0, 3d9. So let's draw 3d9. 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. ठीक है? So let us consider this as the unpaired electron. This is 3d, right? This is 3d. So the principal quantum number is 3 and the azimuthal quantum number will be 2. Okay? And we are talking about this. So agar we start from here, -2, -1, 0, +1, and +2. Okay, so this is considered as the last electron which we are filling. So the value will be +1, and minus half or plus half, it can be any of the values. So yes, D option will be correct. Okay, so this is the last electron. This is not the last electron, guys. This is the last electron. ये last electron बोला जाएगा. This is the last electron. Chalo, next question. Let's see. Chalo, I am giving you like 20 seconds to read this. इसको ध्यान से पढ़ो. 20, take 30 seconds. Okay. Then I will start because it takes time to solve this kind of a question. Take 30-40 seconds and then I'll start the quiz. Okay, Ami, I got it, beta. I got it. But I do not decide it. There is a software working behind it and it decides what will be the marks. Okay, I'm starting the quiz and the time starts now. Quick, guys. 70% have answered. Okay, we have Sunny, Sucharita, Prathak, Manjeet, Arabdha, Pavan, okay, Naga at the top of the leaderboard. Let's see, guys. Okay, 47% people have answered it correctly. That's really great. Okay, चलो देखते हैं लीडर बोर्ड पे कौन आया. अब Jasmine is still at the top, followed by Prathak, Hemant, Dhyan, Gaurav, Pavan, Shruti, Ami, Rupika, and all of you. So that's really good. Let's see. We have to count the number of unpaired electron, guys. Let's talk about Fe first. For Fe, the configuration is argon, 4s2. It is argon 4s2, and 3d6. आर्गन 4s2 and 3d6. 3d6 बोले तो 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So how many unpaired electron? The number of unpaired electron is 4. Okay, so for Fe2 positive, कहां से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालेंगे? We will remove the electron from here, guys. These two electrons will go away and the configuration will be argon 3d6. So this is again 3d6. So what will be the number of unpaired electron? It is again going to be 4. The number of unpaired electron is still going to be 4. Now let's talk about Cr2 positive. पहले Cr का लिखते हैं. Cr is argon 4s1 3d5, the exception wala configuration, right? So now let's write for Cr2 positive. Cr2 positive, guys, one electron, this electron will be removed, and after that one electron from here will be removed. So what will be the configuration? The configuration will be argon 3d4. The configuration will be argon 3d4. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, we again have number of unpaired electron as 4. So this is the correct answer. All of them have the same number of unpaired electrons. So guys, this is the last question that we're going to do. Let's see the question and then we will conclude it. Okay, which of the following electronic configuration violates Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity? इनमें से कौन से ऑप्शन में Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity violate हो जाता है? ठीक है, so this is what you have to tell me. Okay, so take 10 more seconds and then I will start the quiz. ठीक है, चलो, the time starts now. Okay, 80% people have answered already. So I think that's a pretty easy question. Time ends in 4, 3, 2, 1 and time up. चलिए देखते हैं अब क्या सीन है. पवन, संजना and Prathak, Girish, Ramesh and Mr. G Dhyan. Okay, 46% people have got it right. So let's see the leaderboard now. Jasmine still at the top and leading by a huge margin, 400. Great. Prathak, Hemant, Pavan, Arabdha, Sunny, Manjeet, Sucharita, Rupika, Dhyan, Gaurav, Vamsi Krishnan, our founder, Naga Nilesh, Zubair, Shruti Gupta. Congratulations, guys! We have concluded the leaderboard, and this is the final scores that you have guys got. ठीक है? Sir, why am I not there? Saptak beta, I don't decide the leaderboard. It depends on how many answers you have given correctly and also the time in which you have answered the correct question. Okay. So the question was, which of the following electronic configuration violates Hund's rule? Hund's rule के लिए 1s2, 2s2, it is not violated. 3s2, 3px2, okay. And 2px2, see, this is violated. Abhi, let's talk about only the 2p wala orbital. Let's talk about only the 2p wala orbital. So for 2p wala orbital, the filling should be done this way: one electron here, one electron here and one electron here. But what they have done, उन्होंने पहले ही pairing कर दी without filling all the degenerate orbitals equally. So this is violation of Hund's rule. This is violation of Hund's rule. According to this, Hund's rule is violated. So the correct option should be D. Okay. So these are the awesome toppers of Vedantu who have rocked the country by studying at their home, as we say that kaun bola ghar se na ho payega. So these are the top rankers of Vedantu of 2019 JEE Advanced. We have Rajdeep Singh, All India rank 38. We have Chirag Jain, All India rank 41. We have Nivedya, All India rank 697. And yes, our star Sumit Jain, All India rank 1 in the PWD category. Okay, so these are these guys have done it from their homes itself, and yes, you also can do it from your home. So again, guys, those people who want to join the crash course, thank you Saptak beta, thanks a lot. Thank you Vamsi sir. Vamsi sir बोलना चाहिए ना मुझे, you are the founder, right? Thank you Vamsi sir, thank you Zubair. So guys, this is the crash course for JEE. We will come up with for crash course for NEET beta. This is not for NEET. This is for JEE. Class 11th, 12th and droppers. All of you can enroll into the crash course. 12th and dropper will be a part of the same crash course. And for class 11th, it will be purely class 11th revision, right from the first chapter. As I told you, there will be 120 lectures and 40 lectures each subject, along with a weekend test and a test series at the end. That will be according to the new JEE test model. Okay, so what do you get in this course? You get live and personalized academic mentorship, unlimited doubt solving, comprehensive tests and assignments, watch replay for the classes you miss, detailed academic progress report, and the course is starting for 14th October. For the students of class 12th and the droppers, the course has started on 24th September. That is today. आज ही कोर्स शुरू हुआ है. And just if you want to join this particular course, please do it now so that you do not miss a lot. Okay, how to score best in chemistry? That's a very vague question, Bhavini. There is no like shortcut ki chemistry mein aisa karoge to you'll get 100 marks. So this is not, you have to study the whole syllabus, you have to get a feel of it, understand chemistry, then you can score good. Okay Vamsi beta, we will have a few sessions on organic as well, don't worry. Okay, so guys, this is the link to purchase this particular course, and this will be active as soon as the session is over. And yes, the price is 14,999, that is 15,000, and that's really, मुझे कैम का टीचर फर्स्ट आप जैसा मस्त मिला है. Oh my god, that's Ayush, I am flattered, thank you beta. Will you teach there? Yes Arabdha, I am teaching there. I am teaching in the crash course and I am starting my classes tomorrow onwards. ठीक है? Okay, Saptak, I love you too, beta. I love you all. Thanks for the session. I had a wonderful time. You are a great audience. No bad language, no foul language, and all of you are very sincere. That's really awesome. Thanks for attending the session. And yes, I want to have many more sessions like this, guys. You guys were awesome. Thank you, and good night. See you tomorrow.